This is page 200 in our World and Space book. Lacy crystals. Look up during a snowstorm. Watch the snowflakes come spinning down out of the sky. You can see that snowflakes aren't drops like rain or lumps like hail or tiny beads like sleet. They look more like little ragged feathers. When you look at a snowflake through a magnifying glass, you see a beautiful six-sided lacy shape. All snowflakes have this kind of shape, but no two snowflakes are exactly alike. A small snowflake is made of just one of these shapes, or crystals, but large snowflakes are made of several crystals stuck together. Sometimes snowflakes are as big as large coins. There have even been snowflakes as big as dinner plates. Snowflakes are formed high at the top of storm clouds, where the air is freezing cold. Each snowflake is a tiny bit of water vapor, gas that freezes suddenly, without first changing into water. Because of this, instead of becoming a bead or ball of ice, it becomes a lacy crystal that forms around a tiny bit of dust. Snow can form high in the sky, even in summertime, but when snow falls in summertime, it melts and becomes rain as soon as it reaches warm air. Sparkly pictures on your window. The door was shut, as doors should be, before you went to bed last night. Yet Jack Frost has got in, you see, and left your window silver white. He must have waited till you slept, and not a single word he spoke, but penciled over the panes and crept away again before you woke. From Jack Frost, Gabriel Sutton. Sutton. On a cold, crisp day in a late autumn or winter, you may wake up to find your windows covered with icy, lacy swirls. They weren't painted by Jack Frost, of course. They were made when tiny droplets of water in the air got so cold they froze on the window pane. During the day, the outside of your windows are warm, both from the heat inside your house and from the sunshine. But when the sun sets, the window panes grow cool. Then, cold. The air touching the window grows cold too, and all the tiny droplets of water in the air freeze. They suddenly become crystals of ice stuck to your window pane. Then you see designs like lacy coils, sparkly feathers, and shiny silvery leaves. Ring around the moon. The night sky is dark and cloudy. The moon is a pale, fuzzy ball. Around the moon there is a glowing ring of light. What is this ring? Where did it come from? The ring isn't really around the moon. The moon is about 238,000 miles from Earth. The ring is much closer. It is actually in Earth's atmosphere. The ring is caused by light from the moon shining on clouds. These clouds are filled with millions of tiny bits of ice. The ice bends the moon and scatters it. Then, when we look at the moon, it seems to be surrounded by a glowing ring. Sometimes when there is a ring around the moon, there will be two little glowing spots on each side of the ring. These are called moon dogs. They too are caused by moonlight on tiny bits of ice. During the day, we can sometimes see a ring around the sun, and sundogs. When you see a ring around the moon or the sun, it usually means that a storm is on the way. The ice in the air will soon begin falling as rain or snow.